Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find all keyboard settings on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. I think the easiest way is opening the keyboard, so you can go to any search and then you'll see your keyboard right here and you'll see this keyboard settings button, and now you're in all settings. But if you weren't able to do that, don't worry, you can still go to settings and go to, we'll need to go to, I believe, system, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, keyboard, and then on-screen keyboard, and go to Gboard, and now you're in those settings. Now you can find all the keyboard settings, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.